Hello and welcome to another update video about VeChain. Yeah, on the VeChain chart, we have a first initial 5-wave move up into the March highs. Okay, after the price locally, or not locally, but probably put a bear market low in place in June last year. Have this 5-wave move up, a strong correction in a wave 2, which is a 3-wave pullback. That's what we've been tracking on many other crypto charts as well. Just watching if the price now is reversing here. The price action since the 5th of July low looks constructive. Of course, it's not enough to confirm we've bottomed already. In the next step, I want to see a break above those last swing highs. Here, this resistance area at around 3.67 cents, 3.68 cents. That would confirm that further. But most importantly, I need to see a 5-wave move up from the lows. So far, the VeChain chart has put in a 3-wave move up only. I really can't count that as 5 waves already. I mean, anything is possible, but it would be a very forced count with a very unreliable 4-5 pattern here at the end maybe. So I at the moment watch for maybe one more extension in wave 5 to call it a full 5-wave pattern. We always need the 5 waves for a confirmation that a low has formed. Bitcoin possibly already confirmed the 5 waves, might get one more upside extension, or we're dealing with a high B wave. VeChain hasn't put in 5 waves yet, so we might still see another upside extension. And it could take us to 3.3 cents next. That would be also the previous swing high. But for a reliable 5th wave, I'd like to see it get to 3.58 cents. To 3.77, which is also where that previous structural resistance level is located. And important would be to maintain the perspective that we can get another high in this scenario. Well, the bulls should hold the orange support region here. So we want to avoid a break below 2.567 cents, which means the bulls really need to think about an upside reversal from here. It's very important because, with a break below the golden ratio level, with the break below that 61.8 retracement, it will get very difficult for the bulls. This is really important to hold this support level here. Anyway, for even in a diagonal pattern, shouldn't really break below that 61.8 retracement. So that's quite important. One more low would also potentially lead to a 5-wave move down, even though for me the Fibonacci levels are more relevant than just the micro patterns here, because you can always interpret them in different ways, especially in a correction and especially when we talk about micro patterns on an altcoin chart. So support is clear, and I mentioned in the last video that we have a trend line here with 4 touch points. So break above the trend line could set the stage for a 5th wave up. The upside targets are clear. Once we have these 5 waves up completed, we could see this as, the next move down as a wave 2. And I would be able to add the next support region. So what we want to see is 5 waves up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then an ABC pullback in a wave 2, which could form a higher low. Important would be to check the indicators as well. So we can add the RSI to the chart, the relative strength index. And we want to see, are we actually oversold? So important to take a look at the 1-hour chart. We were oversold. We've already seen a bounce. Yeah, we've seen a bounce already. So this could be the start of the 5th wave already. Looking at the 4-hour chart, yep, we were oversold. Whenever we are oversold on an altcoin chart, it can indicate a bounce is coming. So, but here on the 4-hour, we haven't managed to get back into the bullish range above 50. We get there and maintain that. There would also be additional evidence that the 5th wave is unfolding. For now, I think we just need to watch if the bulls can turn up here. They might be trying already. Bear in mind, it could be a volatile weekend, volatile Friday and Saturday actually, with the Nashville conference ongoing in the US. The Bitcoin 2024. That's the update about the VeChain. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.